Sometimes you just have to let go, because action speaks louder than speaker. You are who are you. It is what is it. Don't chase, attack. People come, clean as you go. Take the risk, keep the change.
Guys, you see this sign? Diyan nagpa-picture si Catriona Gray.
Hey, maps!
Kayo mag-ano. Ayan.
Sorry sa Venom.
Guys, getting ready for our first long drive. Lumabas na tuloy na after many years. Hindi na siya drawing.
This is it, Pansit.
Girlhood ready?
We are already painting the camera.
Outfit check. Galing po to sa closet ni ni Jaisal. Are very multi-purpose. Multi-purpose.
So it's currently 6:30.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Hello. How are you? To find our way
Dilim.
to Esperance.
Wow!
Napunta na Esperance yung Baseton.
So we are paying for the water and the petrol. Yeah. Ang mahal na 77.
Ayos na.
Sa bagay. At least yung half free. Think back to the car. So patayin ko na baka sumabog tayo. Alright, 110 more for Tubasotan.
Malapit na
Nakadilim. Long drive. Tubasotan.
Going to Banbury first, and then we're heading to Baseton. Kasi guys, magkakalapit lang sila. So why not? Coconut.
Ako ay ubod ng ganda. Uy. Wow.
Ay, tapos na.
Yeah. Kasi video okay, the driver.
So guys, we are here on the road. And
Aha, kami lang ang may-ari nitong daan na to. Kami lang pwedeng tumaan. And our photographer, nagpa-photoshoot sila, oh.
nagpo-photo siya.
Ayan, oh.
And we're having some snacks. Thank you.
Your ultimate passenger
And guys, alam niyo ba yung road dito? Wala kaming kasama. And we're running 110.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.
See you in 1 hour.
Oh, wow.
1 hour later.
Clouds are clouding. Driver is driving. The sun is stunning. The sun. The sun. It's the sun. The view is viewing.
It's so pretty.
Like us. Pero hindi siya ganun yung color grade niya hindi ganun kaano sa as in person. Except. Wow, ang blooming naman ng driver natin.
Thank you.
Okay, malapit na po kami sa Banbury.
6 kilometers.
Ay, Banbury ba?
Oh yeah, Banbury.
Just 6 kilometers. Remember me. 660 meters to go. Ang peaceful. Kami lang yung car. Uy, full storage. Ha? Full storage. Joke.
Left right na lang, left right. Oh, left right.
Sometimes you just have to let go, because action speaks louder than speaker. You are who are you. It is what is it. Don't chase, attack. People come, clean as you go. Take the risk, keep the change.
Hi. It is what is it?
Ganon. Ay, tat pala ng pagbaba. Oh. Ay, full storage. Tapos din pala yung pantalon mo.
Yeah, for the same.
Kalala ka.
You are, who are you?
So guys, we are here in Banbury now. So, we're doing photo shoot. Yan, nagpipicturean kami. Pedro. We're so busy sa aming selfie sa Banbury. Hi to guys. Gorgeous photographer.
Hey guys.
Si Mama Mitch. Yeah. So we are now at the tower.
Tower ba to?
The tower is towering. The tower is not tower. Okay.
Umakit na tayo.
And we're gonna do the Pedro. So stay tuned.
Pedro.
We are going up the stairs.
Ako yung kita ko eh.
Oh!
picture on the corner. Thank you very much.
Are you scary?
Sometimes you just have to let go.
Very scary, madam.
So, thank you very much. Our photographer is there. Guys, as you can see, the sea is behind us. And naririnig namin yung, anong tawag doon? Ano kasi? The sea is calling! Moana! Pero naririnig yung naririnig yung tunog ng tubig dun. Naririnig niyo ba? I don't know. Pero rinig. So guys, we're gonna take photo. Ayan. Wait lang. Dito ka. We are done now kasi tapos na kaming mag-ano.
Isang oras din tayo dito, no?
Anong isang oras?
You are who is
Isa. Okay, we're just gonna eat. So, time lapse na muna natin.
Hindi, yung kagabi, yung nag-backdo tayo. Yung laway parang gripo. Buti si Jason.
Buti lang nakaalis na ako doon.
Talaga naman, no? Driver, photographer, stylist,
Wow.
literal,
Pack.
hindi nagpa-focus.
Or actually, maps.
Kayo mag-ano. Ayan. Sorry sa Venom.
Guys, we're gonna go to Baselton na. So, we'll see you there. See you. Guys, we are going to this jetty. Ayan. So guys, wag daw po kayo pupunta ng Baselton kapag maraming tao.
Hindi, pag kayong pumunta, okay?
Huwag na po idadagdag.
Kami lang po pwede. Guys, you see this sign? Diyan nagpa-picture si Catriona Gray. Oh, dyan.
Ito si Catriona.
Yeah, oo. Wow! Ang ganda ng window! Tingnan mo yung window! Wow! Look at the view. The outside part.
Ano itong sungka?
Hindi, sabitan yan. Next sa door.
Yung
turtle. Yung ganda nga niyan. Yeah, free.
sunset. May sunset pa.
Kukuha ka isa? So guys, yung jetty namin naging woolies at saka magla-lunch na kami. May bayad kasi yung yung sa jetty, so
$4 ang tinitipid ko sa
yes. So we decided. At saka dumidilim na din, so mahaba yung jetty.
Kailangan na.
Oo. Di ba no? So ayan.
Yummy. Parang ganun pantay.
Yeah.
Ding, 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 ding.
Guys, the food is 10-10.
Lagay ko yata ng lakis to eh. Video. Video lang? Video. Parang naririnig yung conversation. Natapos ko ng kape. Hindi ko sa kaya pero mukhang kaya natin.
Hindi siya maalat. Ano, yung magic ganon. Ano siya?
Magic sarap.
Hindi, yung...
Ajin na mata.
Oo.
Betul.
Oo, maganon siya. Sa dila siya nag-aano eh. Hindi naman sa...
MSG? Oo, ganun nga. Kulang sa gulay. Ayaw mo na kung ganun na.
For the big na.
Ano, girl dinner.
Dinner?
Lunch.
Dinner? Cutting fish. Eh, squid.
Walang broccoli. So, cauliflower.
Parang ito palang busog na ako. Hindi yung sa rice, di ko pa
Walang
na-
minus.
Mamaya, iba na yung pinag-uusapan natin ha.
Kaya nga.
Akala ko yung sabi mo, nag-crabbing ka sa bambay. Tiyang!
At sa bawang ko eh.
Subscribe to our channel. Ay, my channel.
Dapat nagbabangon na tayo.
It's, my channel is What Up It Stay, hindi What Up It Stay.
Hindi sa awa na dopsy.
Going back sa, maglalakad na kami pabalik.
Yung anak ko. Joke lang. Tangkad?
Uy!
Uy, ano yan?
You want some potato?
Wait lang, picture niyo ako.
You want some potato orange? Subscribe to my channel, okay?
Hindi siya potato, lemon. Ay, potato din.
Orange! Orange!
Sorry.
Lemon?
Orange!
Eto, potato.
Oo.
Bato yan.
Uy,
tanga.
yung... Art gallery, oh. Free ba dyan? Free? O, tara, pasok, pasok. O, sige.
Hindi, art siya.
Sabi niya, sabi niya. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Isa mo lang siguro inig natin na doon sila.
Ay, yung cute. Di rin gumagana.
Sige, video mo
Twinkle,
lang.
twinkle.
So, sa video oh, wala nang tao, ha?
Girlhood.
Ganun, no?
Paano ulit yan? Yung cute?
Pag sa camera.
To a place where I belong, West Virginia.